Hi everybody. Well, Lily, as you can see, has been pacing for a little while. You'll sort of notice the substrate all messed up, and of course this hide's been moved out of the way. She's been pacing for a little while, so I've checked outside and the weather looks, quite nice. So I thought, well, yeah, take her outside is what I need to do. What do you think, Lily? She hasn't been out for a few days because she's been digesting, guys. So she hasn't wanted out till late last night, and of course today. But she doesn't know that I'm going to pick her up and take her outside. So I'll stop here and we'll get going out to the front yard. Well, Lily has kind of gotten quite a distance, as you can see. Just me turning off the camera, and I had to put a new battery in. So she can be fast when she wants to and when she's on a mission to be going somewhere. So I don't want her to get too far before I actually get her. I know where she's going. She knows where she's going. I've just got to get good foothold here. And it's more about, do I grab her back end? Do I grab her front end? Which one would be the easiest? But I've got to, and I knocked the camera down. That was a good one. But I've got to. So, I'm looking a bit, out of sorts a bit. I'm sort of been taking it pretty easy, actually, the last few days. I'm just trying to get my health back on track in many ways, both emotionally and physically. Right now, Lily's pushing the camera down on me. It's just been a pretty tough week, and I can't, apart from my health having not been amazing, lots of other bits and pieces, which is life, isn't it? Things happen. For me, those things can be rather out of the ordinary, but you've just got to take one day at a time. But this is my absolute pleasure time, as you know, being out. I'll flick you around to see Lil and what she's going to do today. I've been sort of busy really catching up on people's videos because I took a day off from uploading, and I didn't really go near the computer until the next day, when I uploaded my own video and then proceeded to check out and catch up with others, which I try and do on a regular basis. But I've been attending lots and lots of meetings, and my life looks very big in terms of spending a lot of my time with my snakes. and that's the part that you see. That's, you know, the bigger part of what you see. But we do have so much more to our life than, you know, our snakes, and I've been feeling rather guilty this past week, you would say, especially because I feel like I have completely neglected my snakes. Lily, you know, has been in shed. She ate and then she was digesting, so Lily hasn't been wanting out, which for me, you know, that was good, because I don't know if I'd have managed Lily being out, but I would have done it. And the same, you know, Jack has been wanting out, and I've been getting him out, and I have done a couple of videos of him recently coming out and just exploring in the lounge, but overall I have done very minimal. I'm just trying to chase that noisy miner away. Sorry, and he just goes from one side of the trampoline to the other just to be cheeky at me. Lily's just coming back. Are you coming back? Can you hear those birds? Hey, they're only little. They are just little birds, darling. Yeah, but you know they could swoop down, don't you? And maybe get you. You're going to hide. So, am I on her? I think I'm in major zoom. She's looking over my shoulder. Aren't you? You're looking over Mum's shoulder. Hey? I know, darling. I know, Mum's right here. It's just the camera. She's got her head virtually right in the camera, and I can't sort of, I don't know, she wants to sort of go up under my arm. Don't you? You're trying to hide. Is that what you're, oh, okay. Okay. She's, I think going to hang on me for some reason. So what you're going to do today? Just hang on Mum. Do you not like the sounds of all those birds? There's too many birds. Hey? You're a big girl. Mum's here, isn't she? Hey? Gotta love them, don't you? Like, honestly. You know, I guess I'm her little security blanket at times when she's... Well, there's too many birds hanging around, Mum. Protect me, will you? And you know Lily, and what she's actually like. She's the gung-ho girl when it comes to being outside and doing, you know, what Lily wants to do, but she's hanging on to me today. I don't know if you can see those iridescents on her head when she lifts up in that sun. But they are just amazing. Oh, darling, where are you going? Well, she's right up under me. Maybe she can hear. Oh, if there's more birds than normal, I don't know. I don't know. Or maybe, you know, we haven't had a lot of interaction, guys. If you think about it. Lily has been in shed, and I didn't really have much interaction with her for a few weeks, and then I fed her, and then she was a couple of days down with digesting, and this is really her first contact back physically with me. As you can see, she's all wrapped up and around me. She can hear, of course, those big crows, which I'm sure makes her a little bit more wary. But she hasn't had much physical contact with me. And Lily and I are very, very close to one another as well. So, okay, she's going to make her move now, probably straight for the front door, which is what Lily will tend to do at times, is head for home. I was hoping she would use the loo, which she may do yet before she gets too far, but certainly being vigilant about those noisy birds. There's none in the yard at the moment, they're all up over in that tree. So, but that's a crow that you can hear calling. And I'm sure they know the smaller birds' noises to the larger birds as well. There she goes, which she always heads to that front door. But beautiful. Another very nice day out here. I will get up and move a little closer to her for you, so you can see her. She will just come back inside, and I'll get out of that sun, and I will I'll let her go up into her hangout spot and have some time up there today. And you know, that is exactly where she was going to head and go. Do you want to go inside, Lily? Already? Hey? Oh, I don't want you going in there though. I really don't. But you're determined, are you not? Hey? Let's keep your bottom half. She says, "Pull me down, Mum. Pull me down." I really don't want you going in there, Lil. So, well, I am. I really am going in there. That's my Lily. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to, get Lily out today and give her that little bit of time out here. But I think she's just more interested in going inside, hanging in her hangout spot. She'll be happy there. She'll get to explore, get some nice exercise, won't you? Why can't I go in those bushes, Mum? What is wrong with me going in those bushes? Because you would get lost in there. I mean, I would probably find her, but I still don't want her. I still don't want her doing it. And little Miss determined. So, before she goes there, up and down and up and down. Before she gets there, guys, thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.